Okay, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to discover this really cool maze niche within the Amazon KDP market. Okay, now the specific type of maze I want to create here, or maze book I want to create here, is what's called a hand-drawn maze. It has this unique look, like it was drawn, it was handmade, right? And I got a software here that does that for you. But before that, before we even get to the software, we need to choose a keyword to go after, a niche that can help us earn on Amazon KDP. Okay. Now, when it comes to the maze books, coloring books, you can definitely go for adult books. That's perfectly fine. But what works best for me, what's been a proven formula for me, is theme-based activity books for kids. Okay, and theme-based. This is one for example. As you can see, Pirate Maze book. If I blow this up, it's at 970 results. It's pretty low. And if we look at the results here, people are definitely buying. Don't count this one because this is sponsored. Let's go to the next one. This is the first organic. This is the first organic one. As you can see, it has 83 reviews. Okay, and it's a little bit over 260,000 of BSR. This is making sales. Okay, a good amount of sales. Nothing that's gonna make you rich, but is a steady passive earner, and that's what we want to do. We want to create as many passive earning assets out there online as possible. As we see, here's another one, Pirate Mazes. Has over 15. Sorry, has over 14. This one has 40, and so forth. All pirate theme. So we know now that we have competition, and that is a good thing. We don't want to get into an overly saturated market. However, we do want to get into a market where people are buying and selling products. Okay, and a niche is better than some general maze book where we don't know our target customer. Here we have a pretty good idea of who our target customer is and what they want. Okay, now after I find the niche, I gotta make sure that I'm able to create the book. Now I'm not gonna sit there and make I don't know, 40 pages of hand-drawn mazes. Okay, I don't have the talent. That's why I employ a lot of software to create these types of books. This is what I use to create this hand-drawn maze book. I have more information about this below, but for right now, I want to stick to the niche. But the most important thing you want to look at is the book cover. The book cover is extremely important. Okay, so here is a book cover I'm creating for this niche. Okay, Pirates Maze book. As you can see, this is the front part, this is the back part. Okay, let me expand that for you. We have it's clearly telling our potential customer how many puzzles are located, how many puzzles are in the book, what it's about. You see a little pirate child here, and you see the type of maze in the background. And this is the back of the book. Okay, I don't really do much with this. I do want to give some indication of what the book is about. Again, tons of fun and fresh mazes to enjoy. Here we have a treasure box, and we have question marks and a maze. Okay, really cool stuff. Okay, besides that, I want to have what I call essential pages. These are pages that first greet the customer as soon as they crack open the book. Here we have the title page, my copyright here. This is where you fill in your name and author name and stuff. How to use these maze books, I wrote that down here. And a table of contents. Okay, I'm going to fill this out later when I have a good grasp of the different chapters of my maze book. Now, the unique thing and the beautiful thing about this is you can create these what are considered high quality books, because most people can't just go get in this market with software like this. Here I am using the hand-drawn maze generator. Okay, and it's very simple. If with this feature, Quick Book Creator, I can choose which types of what types of mazes I want to create, and I just give it a number of mazes I want to create, and it's going to create that whole book for me. Okay, now what I got to do is theme it. Okay, so here I already themed it with this character here. I got this little pirate child here, and I got this treasure island thing going on here. Okay, so obviously the pirate child has to go in here and claim the bounty over here. So not the bounty, the treasure. Now we just go to this maze. Okay, now you might be thinking to yourself, what about the solutions? This piece of software does that for you. You go all the way towards the bottom and you have the solutions here already done. I'm not going to get into it. It's very self-explanatory once you get the software. Again, I'll have a link to it down below showing you what it's used for, how it's used, and how you can create these stunning books quickly and easily. But let's go back to our pirate-themed maze book example. Okay, so let me go to this second page one here. I'm going to go into the design elements. Okay, and I'm going to go to this pirate section here. I'm going to expand on it. I'm going to choose this pirate now. I'm going to put it in here, and of course this is way too big, so I'm going to shrink it down. If you know how to use a mouse, you can do that. Bring that up towards the top here, shrink it down, and put this pirate right here. I'm going to flip it so it's facing the maze kind of, and here I'm going to find something that this child wants to get to. Again, the treasure. Okay, the treasure I keep constant, okay, because I want this type of I want this to be the theme of the book, a pirate going after his or her treasure, okay? Right in there. Okay, you can definitely overlap with the maze because it looks like it's going right into the treasure. And the cool thing about this software, it will automatically numerate your pages, right? So page 2, and the same thing with page 3 here. So you can see page 3. Let's put another pirate in here. Let's put this one here. Put this one here. Cool. And shrink. Oh, no, I don't want to shrink that. Let's fit this page again. Good. Let's shrink down the child here, the pirate child, a little bit smaller, like that. Okay, we got to think about the border here when our book's being created. And let's go back to our little pirate treasure island here and bring it towards the bottom here. Make sure it doesn't go over all of the maze, just a part of it, like that. So as you can see, the maze goes right into the treasure. Okay, and that's how you do it. Okay, so once I create my maze book using this tool and I download my essential pages, I have to combine them, obviously, right? So there's a ton of free tools out there. Here's a good one. PDF Combiner. Go to PDF Combiner, or there's a ton. There's Combine PDF Online, Merge PDF Files. This is another one. Just select this file that you're going to download and this file that you're going to download, and combine it here to create one book. Okay, you have your essential pages and you have your interior. Okay, of course this is separate. You're gonna upload this to Amazon separately. Okay, and this is your cover of your book. Okay, when Amazon gets an order and they sell one of your books, Amazon KDP does the rest. Right? They print out your book, they add the cover, they ship it out to your customer. You deal with nothing. All you gotta do is upload these types of digital books onto Amazon KDP, and they make it physical and send it out to your end user, to your customer. Okay, so that is a really cool niche, a pirate maze book. Okay, if you wanna, you can definitely just use Canva to create your covers and interiors, and if you have the patience, by all means, add a page and create your mazes in here using, I guess you can draw them yourself. It's all up to you. I just want to let you know that this is an actual niche out there that you can actually get into and potentially earn with. Potentially, right? I cannot guarantee you will earn with this. So there you go. Let me know what you think down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more videos like this. I'm happy to help you out and show you what works for me. Okay, be good, take care, and have a great day.